Let me explain a little bit what is happening. I'm trying to do a time lapse, and I'm here in lough, the Guinness Lake. And what happens is, I've been waiting for this moment for a while because today is new moon. Well, technically tomorrow, but today is also a very dark sky. So Ireland in one of the darkest sky, and the galactic core should be over that lake. I hope I can get it in a time lapse, which I have started at 6 o'clock, and I'll be doing it until 10 o'clock. What happens is the galactic center will be visible only for half an hour, from 9 to 9:30, something like this. But you can always make a transition between day and night. And look at that. Would you look at that? Like, I'll spin you around. This is what we're dealing with. I mean, are you kidding me? This is a beautiful sunset, and imagine over that lake, somewhere here, in this side, or this area, we'll have the galactic core. But, as you can also see, majestically there are clouds. So it may not be possible. Now, if we look behind us though, surprise, surprise, the sky is getting clearer and clearer. So fingers crossed, we may get something. See here, can you see through this? The level of exposure now dropped at 1/10 of a second, and we are approaching shortly blue hour. It's very nice for a time lapse, not that good for galactic center, but we'll see. Colors are still changing. Like, if I look even in that direction there, it's so beautiful. And here as well. Wow, very nice. But unfortunately, a massive cloud in the exact direction of the Milky Way. We'll report shortly. And it is officially sunset, basically 7 o'clock. So now it should be fine. But again, I'm checking the clouds formation. We have this element, exactly massive front on top of just on top of the mountain. I don't know, it's kind of clearing up, or it's just me hoping. I don't know, I really don't know. Look at that. How can it, what galactic center? There's no galactic center. Galactic center is gone. It won't work. And I have officially completed the 900 photos of this time lapse. The sky is completely cloudy. As you can see, it's absolutely impossible to see the galactic core or anything remotely close to that. The image remains beautiful though, a little bit slanted. And what happens is I'll probably start, though maybe through a miracle we may get it. I will probably start the sequence. I just being stubborn and try to get the time lapse, and for some reason the ISO was stuck at 80 instead of being on auto. Man, first time manual mode fails me. Anyway, I had to bump. This is basically the next day, and I still didn't give up on the idea of getting the Milky Way over the lough. So this time, this time looking at the sky looks a little bit better than yesterday. Obviously there are still clouds going on, but let's see what the apps are saying. I'm using this app called some sort of a weather bug. I hope it's not a bug, but this time it says that in Wicklow around 8 and 9 p.m. the cloud cover is like only 7% to 11%. Well, that's actually great news, and hopefully this time we can get it. This nonsense stubborn thing of Milky Way. Let's see how it goes. There is a rainbow happening there, So I hope that's a good sign. I truly hope. We are here, and my disappointment is out of proportions, and my day is ruined. Basically, it's 95% cloud coverage, not 5%. Let's see though. Let's wait a little bit and see how it goes. So as I was saying, just having this, being here in this immense solitude near this lake, it's such a unique experience. It's so quiet and so dark because there's no moon, and it's just, you have to be here to live it. Don't tell me it's clearing up now, man. I had to cancel the shot because there was simply too many clouds, too dark. So